Stick around to see how I turned a simple little bear craft into a Build-A-Bear craft, and everything pairs so well with this book. So you don't want to miss it. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is the Activity Author, and I am here to bring you a special book inspired craft video. If you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl, and I am an author, self-published author by the way, and I also make easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by self-published authors just like me, because we don't get enough shine. So I usually like to stick to that genre of authors, and I also create games and activities as well. So if you like this type of content and you want to entertain your kids, or you want something for them to do and create, please hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button as well, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Okay, so now that we got all of that out the way, guys, I'm excited to tell you about the book that inspired all of these fun activities and crafts today. So our book is called Cassie's Big Change, Going from Living Room to Classroom by Dr. Tamera Foley. Now, we all know that virtual learning is ending, so Cassie is back in the building, y'all. She is reuniting with friends and getting acquainted with her teachers in person. And in this second installment of Cassie's Big Change in the series, because this is a series, guys, we see Cassie and her crew transition from learning on computers to being back in the classroom live and in charge, you know what I mean? So you get to peek in her first day being back in the building in this book, and you get to see how COVID changed her life and her friends' lives, and all the tools that her teachers are giving them to manage their thoughts and their feelings and their emotions during this big change in their lives. Now, I love how this book deals with something like this, because y'all know I'm a middle school teacher, so I love how Dr. Foley has opened up the floor for us to talk about this type of topic. And if you go to her website, you'll also see lots of tools that help kids gather their emotions and their personal learning styles. So I can tell you that this book is definitely appreciated and definitely needed. Like, I can appreciate how Dr. Foley brings this topic up, like I said, but it helps little ones deal and channel their emotions through journaling, using Play-Doh, emotional stuffed animals, and so much more. So guys, in this book, you get to see how Cassie takes all of these struggles in her coping with, being back in the classroom. You get to see how she handles all these strategies given by her teachers, and guess what? Your kids could actually try them too. So I highly recommend this book for kids ages 7 to like 14. I know she says 7 to 10, but I say 14 because I think my middle school students could definitely use this book as well, and the journal, so they can get all this stuff out of their heads and into the pads and just make sense of it all, So guys, if you are interested in this journal and this book, please drop down in my description box right now. I tell you how to get this book. I tell you how to connect with our author on her social medias, and she is everywhere, guys. Twitter, Facebook, you name it. So all of that is in the description box below. And I'm telling you guys, when you ask your kids, right, how was school? And they just say, great, they're not opening up to you. So that's what this journal can do for your kids. It can kind of teach them how to, open up. And it has these kind of sample questions here, as you can see on the screen. And it just has a lot of things that'll teach them about their emotions and how to open up to people and conversation starters and all of that jazz. So guys, seriously, go check out this awesome brand and this series of Cassie's series. All of this stuff. Go ahead and check it out in the description box below. Click the links and definitely keep up with our author, guys. All right, so now that all of that is said, honey, we got to get into all of these awesome crafts that I have for you. So let's get crafty. So in this book, we see Cassie's bear playing a very pivotal role in like her coping with school and all her responsibilities. So I figured readers will be able to use the bookmark that we're creating right here to keep up with their journaling. So that is how this craft has come to be. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to make this. You can use a popsicle stick or construction paper or even foam sheets. These are the construction paper I love. I got them from Amazon, super cheap. So with the construction paper, you want to go ahead and sketch out your shape of a bear. This is mine. If you want to kind of copy this style, it works the best for me. I'm folding it in half because I want to make 2 bookmarks. So I'm going to cut 2 out at a time. And then you're going to see me glue them on top of the popsicle stick and then one on top of the foam sheet. Cute and easy. Now, I thought we needed something else to help our bear reinforce the pages, so I decided to give him a little shirt just like he's wearing in our book with Cassie. So now the bear has its own shirt. I'm not going to glue it all the way down though. See how I'm leaving the bottom kind of up because I want that part to just sit in between the pages. So that is how this is done. And then you can have your child take some markers and decorate their bookmark. You can also put a shirt on this one. I just decided to show you guys 2 different ways to do this, but you can put a shirt on this one as well, the foam bookmark, and you can decorate it, pants. You know, I would have did both, but I just wanted to give you guys some options. Okay, so now your child can use their bookmark to save their place in their journal. So now it's time to showcase the craft that is featured on the cover of this video. So this craft got its name Build-A-Bear because I realized that's what we ended up doing by the time the craft was over. So we made this bear and we started putting dresses and tutus and shirts and just customizing all the outfits. So I can't wait to see how you guys customize this craft with your kids. So don't forget to take pictures and tag me on Instagram so I can see and shout you out on my next video, okay? Alright, so somebody's probably asking, why are we using forks to paint? We got paint brushes. Well, forks, plastic forks, give you that fuzzy look. You see right here how it looks a little fuzzy? That's the look we want. So now we're going to trace out a shirt for our wonderful bear. I'm just kind of using the plates as my little marker so I know how big I want to make this shirt. And it's a struggle, honey. I'm trying to get this thing right. But I finally got it right. And I cut out 2 shirts at one time so my daughter could do one. And just keep watching to see how we decorated our cute little bears. And they turned out so cute. And one thing special that your child gets to do is they get to name their bear. And my daughter named hers Patricia. I don't know where she got that name from. So I decided I'm going to have a boy and I'm going to name it Colby. So have them customize and decorate the shirts with whatever you have lying around the house. We got feathers and little scraps, piece of paper and stickers. Anything goes. So have your child decorate the shirt. And then when your bear head is done, you can put that together and get crafting. All right, so I'm gonna show you real quick with these coffee filters, why they came into play. My daughter wanted a tutu so bad, and I was gonna do it like this, but I was like, why do that when the coffee filters are already crinkled, you know? Like I already got that look. So I cut this coffee filter in half. I glued it together just like this, the little layered skirt look. And then I attached it to the shirt that Patricia will be wearing. And I put it all together and made a very cute craft. Y'all saw what I did there? Your outfit is ready. Look at that. And now I'm going to show you 2 different ways to make these bears, but you guys can make them any way you see fit. You can use googly eyes or pom-pom balls like I'm using right now. You can also make the mouth out of pipe cleaners, or you can just draw it on with a marker, so you can see both right here. And I also understand that people like to make the mouths like this, you see right here. I forgot to make it this way, but hey guys, it looks like a bear either way. Okay, you can have the little cutout like this, or you can have it like this. It doesn't matter, okay? A bear is a bear. But that is pretty much how hers turned out. Look how cute. Oh, now y'all see why we call this Build-A-Bear? So last idea, real quick. Cassie's teacher taught them how to cope with emotions using Play-Doh. So now I know Dr. Foley has bundles on her website that includes Play-Doh, but sometimes, you know, the process of making can be just as fun. So I have a couple videos here on my channel about how to make Play-Doh from scratch, non-toxic, and there's several different ways. So if you click the card up top, or you go down in the description box, I have those linked below, so that way you and your child can have fun making Play-Doh from scratch from your own kitchen. So that is another option of ways to bring this book alive through crafts and activities. So enjoy. Link is down below. All right guys, so I love to thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment below your favorite craft and what you can't wait to make. And don't forget to take pictures, tag me on Instagram so I can repost, okay? And lastly, share this video with a parent, a friend, a teacher, babysitter, you know, anyone who loves making crafts with kids. And don't leave yet, guys. I got hundreds of videos. Yes, thank you. And I do mean hundreds of videos on this channel that you guys can continue to watch. So click one of these videos right here to keep the party going. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.